So, to create a Q stack and have everything appear here so that you can recall it later, first you want to create a lighting state, obviously, so we're going to choose the dimmer, initiate them at full, and that's going to be our first lighting state. We go to the visualizer, we can see that indeed the dimmer is all located. Then all you need to do is click record, and we'll go to program 1, and we can see that this. So we're going to navigate over to QText 2 or QText using the arrow keys. Then we can type a name such as cheese. You'll notice the text hasn't appeared there, but it's appeared here. Then we just press enter and it appears there. To record a different cue, clear it first, go to programmer, and in this instance we're going to do that. And as you can see, we've got the Mega Tri 64s blue, all 5 of them. So I'm going to go back to MagicQ, click record again, just click on the Q stack and then click again to enter. I'm going to set this to, I don't know, meat. Then you can, I've got no clue why my Q IDs are going all strange, but they are. So you can then click clear, and that will clear it from the programmer and the visualizer. And to record a blackout, you go record with nothing in the programmer, so your clear light is not on. You just click it. Ignore that. So if it says that, you just need to make sure you're navigated to the end. Click record again, click that, and then you can do blackout. And then, as I'm sure you know, to navigate, you just use the arrow keys and then select, you just press enter. So if I wanted to initiate Q meet, I would press the enter key now. But if you can see, it is chasing through all of them. So what we've forgotten to do is go up here to the Q timing, click that, and then click yes. That will set all of that to Q timing. So if I now go to meet, it will stay on meet. And in order to activate the Q, or like turn it on, you need to make sure that it itself is on. Let's go over to the visualizer, and we can see that indeed the blue light is on. However, if we went to Q1, which in my case is cheese, which if you remember is the dimmer, just press the enter key once you've navigated over to that, and it will go to that. If you of course want to go to a blackout, just navigate to the blackout queue. And because that was a bit much, what I personally like to do is to set a 0.5 second fade on everything. And then, instead, when we're in the visualizer, we navigate to it, it just comes up a bit slower. That's just a bit nicer, I think. Thank you.